Hello everyone and thank you for watching this video to learn how to properly use VideoStew. I am John from VideoStew. In this first lecture video I will briefly explain what you can create with VideoStew and what its features are. VideoStew is an AI video editing solution that you can easily use online. So what kind of content can you create with VideoStew? Short-form videos for YouTube Reels and TikTok. Videos for content marketing using your blog posts. Educational videos for employee training. Product introduction and review videos. Video versions of news articles. Online lecture videos. Knowledge videos covering specialized topics. In addition to these, you can easily create and edit a variety of videos that you have in mind. Many of you have probably already experienced various video editing tools besides VideoStew. So what sets VideoStew apart in this competitive environment? I would say it's the perfect balance between automation and flexibility. What I mean by this is that you can quickly get started with AI-based automation, while still having the ability to manually intervene and enhance the quality as much as you want. If you think about other solutions, I believe you'll understand what I mean. AI-generated results are fascinating at first. However, when you consider uploading them to your channel, they often don't meet your quality standards. On the other hand, learning and using professional tools like Premiere can be overwhelming. VideoStew is a reliable partner solution that helps you start easily and quickly finish with the desired quality. If you need to create your own efficient video production workflow, I highly recommend VideoStew. It's best to think of VideoStew as a tool for ongoing content marketing. The opposite concept would be running ads. In fact, ads require a large budget including media costs. And in such cases it's better to use a professional production company to create a high-quality piece. However, if you need consistent content updates on platforms like YouTube or Instagram, there's no better alternative than VideoStew. The more you use it, the more powerful and convenient it becomes, allowing you to maintain an efficient process from video creation to distribution through your own templates. How do you feel? Are you a bit more excited about VideoStew? From the next lecture, we'll go through the basic usage to advanced features of VideoStew together. See you in the next video. Thank you.